Today I'll be bringing you a Blu-ray unboxing of Southpaw. The front has the main character on it, featuring original new music from Eminem. The Winston Company Southpaw Blu-ray disc, an Archer bag, screenshot from the movie, summary of the movie, special features include deleted scenes. The first one, Breathx. 2, Getting Ready Extended. 3, Billy's Fall. 4, Trick's Gym. To name a few of them. The Southpaw Inside the Ring, Q&A with the cast and extended training montage. Some more screenshots from the movie. It is rated R. Color, 124 minutes, and is rated R again. English and Spanish, Dolby 5.1. English subtitles, Spanish subtitles, widescreen presentation, Blu-ray disc. The Blu-ray has the same picture but condensed on it at the front. Then there's a little pamphlet for some fitness gym crap. So if there's like a code on here, you can have it if you want it to. It's still okay. It's out of date, but you can try if it still works. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel to see more videos like this one.